everyone. I just wanted to get on here and talk a little bit about the 100-day project. I'm sorry my glasses are reflecting. I'll have to put them on here in a minute, but I can have them off for now. I started it on February 18th. It's a global art creativity practice. It's a challenge that goes on for 100 days, of course, and today is day 11. I've done it every day, and that doesn't mean I make 100 projects. It means I work on a project for 100 days, so it can be whatever I choose it to be. I can work on one project, I can work on 20. I'm just going at my own pace. I'm really keen right now, so I'll be making more right now, but later on when I'm traveling and doing some workshops and such, I will probably do less, but you'll be up to date with it every day because I'm going to post every day. So one of my friends told me I take on too much, but this is my focus right now. I want to be more creative. I want to share my creativity with you and hope to inspire you. So I will show you what I've done so far. I apologize, these are in cellophane bags just to protect them. These are all going to be put on 6x6 canvases. So day 1 already sold. You'll have to go back into my feed to see that one, but these are the rest of them. So this was day 0 actually, because this was what inspired me to start. They're all around 4.5 inches square. This is a little experiment with fabric paper. I made my own fabric paper. And this is day 3, which has some, it's called wool neps. The little yellow and green pieces, that's called wool neps. And there's also some sheep's locks there, the curly locks that have been dyed. And this is my hand-painted fabric. Here's one that's totally hand-stitched. I was a little stressed this day because I didn't have a piece, and I found this in my kit. So I worked on this and finished it up so I could post it. It's all hand-stitched. Here's day 5 and 6. So I worked on this for 2 days. It was a busy couple days, so I started it one evening and finished it the next day. This is Mount Robson. This was inspired by my son Brady. He's living out in BC, and he sent me a picture, or actually it was a video of this mountain. He said it's the highest one in the Rockies in Canada. So I decided to make that one. It will probably end up in his hands, hopefully someday. And this one is what I don't know that I wrote on here. I think it's day 9. Actually, that was day 8, because this one is day 9 and 10. So this one I started the background, and then I've added all these little bits in there. And this one is a good introduction to a workshop I'll be teaching this summer here locally. And at the same time, I'm going to create an online course to go with this. It's going to be called Intuitive Seascapes. So I'm going to show you lots of different techniques to create your own seascape. So that one will be a week long here in Fredericton at the Honeybee Folk School. If you're interested, you can get my newsletter and all the details are there, or you can check out their website. And I'll also create an online course because I'll be practicing and making samples for the class at home. So I'm going to record everything so that I can make a course for those of you who can't attend. This is the one I'm working on today. I just finished this part of it, and I'm going to add some pink beads to the trees as blossoms, I guess. So I hope you're inspired. I hope you join me. And I've also been updating my YouTube, so I have lots of new videos on there for inspiration and tutorials to kind of inspire you to get going with your own creativity. So I hope I'm helping you with that. And if you have any suggestions for me, I'm very open to it. I love to teach and I love to create art. So it's my passion. I want to share it with you. Have a great day, everyone.